Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Magic of Cooking. Guess who I'm having today? Sheela Sagar.
Hi Asha ji, how are you? Asha ji, I want to tell you that this my hobby and my passion has taken me where. I take parts in the competitions and in some clubs or anything. I've really won. And my famous dish is dal pakwan and even this baked eggs and some feta cheese and watermelon salads and all. I've really won first prizes and all that.
आज आप क्या दिखाने वाली है मेरे लिए स्पेशल?
Yes, something special, high protein food which is very healthy and very nice. Today I'm making baked eggs, which is hardly any butter in that, no butter, nothing, and you bake it in the oven. Baked eggs is my innovative dish.
Wow.
This I've just made it on my own like. These are the ingredients. For this baked eggs, we need 6 eggs, at least for a family of 2 or 3 people. 6 eggs and 2 simla mirchi chopped, 2 tomatoes chopped, salt and pepper and coriander and green chilies, and to top it up with cheese.
Okay.
Yeah, and to grease we need little butter just to grease the baking dish.
Okay.
So it doesn't get stuck in that. Just grease your baking dish, because always whenever you bake something you have to grease your dish, otherwise everything gets stuck in your dish only. So little butter, just grease your dish with your hands or with knife, with anything you want to do, and then break all the eggs inside this. You can just break all the eggs in this. But be careful that you don't break the yellows. Better to keep the yolks full. And now just take little bit of salt and just sprinkle the salt all over it. Little salt, don't put too much salt because you're already going to add cheese to it. Limited salt because the cheese also is very salty. So always put little salt, and then take black pepper according to your taste. If you like too much, put it on all the yolks and put it everywhere. Just sprinkle nicely this black pepper. After this is done, you add your cheese to it. Just cover everything with your cheese. All the yolks should be covered with the cheese. This is how the cheese goes in. And after the cheese, you put this capsicum, you put this tomatoes and capsicum. You can add more, less, whatever you want, like how on the pizza toppings you need whatever you want, you can put it on them. But these two combinations of capsicum and tomatoes go very well.
ये अपना नॉनवेज सेवपुरी जैसे लग रहा है.
Then add some more cheese on this. And then top it up with coriander leaves. Garnish with that coriander leaves. And green chilies. Green chilies according to your taste, how much you like them. 1 or 2 or 3, it depends on your taste. Because we have not put any other chili except for black pepper, so you can add the chilies according to your taste. Now this is done. Now this has to be baked in the oven, a preheated oven on 200 degrees for at least 10 to 12 minutes. Yeah girls, and put it in the oven which is already preheated on 200 degrees Celsius and for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. Here it goes in the oven.
No words, I'm not going to say anything about this more. आप खुद देख सकते हैं कितना अच्छा है. Bye bye bye. I want to eat this fast. गर्मा गर्म.
Come on, garam.
शीला जी इसको कट कीजिए जल्दी. मुझे दीजिए.
Immediately. Just give me 1 minute. Try this hot. Asha ji, it's very hot. You must really taste it.
Wow, it is
And
looking
it's
so
going to be piping
nice.
hot. Yeah.
ओके फ्रेंड्स, मैं भी खा रही हूँ. बाय बाय. इट्स हॉट एंड नाइस एंड स्मेल इज कितनी अच्छी है. आई कैन नॉट वेट मोर. बाय फ्रेंड्स.